Hey guys, so if you're doing the science fair project, I'm here to help. So let's do this. So let's do the title page first. So just basically open new one, go to Microsoft Word document. If you have a Mac, I really can't help, but I have it here. You should put it separate, the title page separate from everything else. Okay, so what you want to do is to first go to paragraph and align it to the center. Next, what you want to do is to choose an easy-to-read font. I like Agency FB. You can use Arial or Times New Roman or something easy to read. I set it at the size of 48. So you can just put your title here. And your title is basically your question for the science fair project. So press enter twice. Next, align the text to the right. And reduce the size to 36. Now, right here, you want to put your name, and then space down, and put your student number. So, roll down that hashtag, and then your number, and then your grade. So, say grade, then your grade. After what, you want to put the date. I don't know how to spell February. February 7th, because this is when it's due. February 7th, 2014. Then space it down as much as you can. And cover's done. So after all this, you can add graphics. Like this. And basically here, I got a text box and a picture. Text box, go to format, appear size, little thing over there, layout, behind text. That's the cover. Next thing is the actual paper. Another document, paper. Okay. So now after that, here you have your paper. I recommend the font Times New Roman, set at 12. So next, you want to go to page layout. Insert, and then page number, top of the page. Okay, so now you're just gonna wait for them to load. So what you want to do is, I use the accent bar. You have your page number right here. It'll change automatically. And then right here, you want to delete that page thing and write your last name. So last name is here. And you can close the header and footer. Next you want to do is basically just start typing. Yeah, so just start typing. Come on. Remember to indent every paragraph. So just pretend that's a paragraph. Now, you have to put your sources at the end of every single paragraph. The sources, like where you got the information from that paragraph. So like this. So I have a paragraph, and then this is what I use to get the information from the paragraph. So you can see I did the bracket and then another bracket. So parentheses, sorry. So you can see this is an encyclopedia. So I put the shortened name of the encyclopedia and then the page numbers. This is a website, so I just put the article title. Here it says Claiborne. That's a last name because it's a book, not an encyclopedia with like 1,000 authors. And then I put the page number I found that on. This is web. So yeah. That's basically that. And that's how you do it. So you should use this website called BibMe. It's my inbox. bibme.org. I'll put a link down. Go to a website or a book or whatever your source is, and then just find it. And it's a really easy tool to use, except it derps out quite a bit. So just manually type it if you have problems. And remember, the report has to be 2 pages long without pictures. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Next thing you want to do is probably do the sources page at the end. So align it to the center. After that, choose an easy to read font. I use Agency FB. I set it at 36 because I said so. So name the sources. That's not how you spell sources. Just pretend it's sources. Sources. I like to underline it, so to highlight it, that U with the underline. And now align it back to the left. Change the font size down to, I'd say 14 or 12. You can change it back to this font, or I just use Agency too much. So then you can put all your stuff down here. So after you're done typing all this and you have your first draft, what I like to do is save it. And then after that, I right click, and then I say copy, and then I say paste right here. And you have the copy of this so that you can add your pictures. It will look exactly the same. So we'll wait for this to load. I'm recording this so it just ding-dongs my performance. Come on, you can do it. Okay, so here it is. Next thing you want to do is put in all your pictures. So just insert your picture. I'll just get a random picture over here. Thank you. Put in your picture and then just drag it in. Then say text box, simple text box. Basically, now you want to say, over here you want to do a easy to read font like Arial. I use Arial, but I like Agency FB too much. So figure, you would write figure, and then whatever number comes in the order, because you have 2 or more. Then this is figure 1, the next one's figure 2, and then write your description. After that, you want to drag it probably under this. And you can change the color of the outline by just going to Format, Shape Outline. Find a color you like, and then change the shape. I like to use this rounded one. Looks nice. I also changed the thickness by doing this. Shape Outline, weight. And I use 1 point, just to make it a little thicker. And there you have it. So now what you want to do is to probably label your figure sources, because if you don't give due credit, it's just, I don't know, crime. So you say picture credits right there. See? And then just say figure this came from this link or whatever, but I took this from my desktop, so my screenshot by pressing print screen, it's on there somewhere. It says PRTC, then space SC. So I'll show you how I did this right here. Research right here. Okay, so you can see this. I have all this like this. And my picture credits are down here. It says picture credits, figure 1 and 2. Yeah. I hope that helped in the slightest. So, yeah. Goodbye.